Hey guys, and welcome back to the Risk of Rain 2 Unlock Run. We're gonna... Here, let me turn this light on. We're gonna jump back into getting some of these unlocks taken care of. And sorry, there may be a little bit of there's probably a little bit of background noise just because my noise... I don't know how to fix my noise gate. I need to figure that out, actually. And it might be like my computer running. But there might be some more background noise than normal because I'm recording during the day right now, which I normally don't do. But the whole family's up and everything, and the kids are playing, so there may be a little bit of background noise. But for now, we're gonna jump back into the run. If you remember, we had a run and we failed after like 6 minutes, and now here we are in the second attempt. We're on stage 4. I just unlocked Rex. You can see that's the Rex thing I just shoved the fuel array into. And there's my bustling fungus healing. So I'm gonna press continue, or we're gonna resume. We're gonna buy some chests. There's a guaranteed legendary chest on this map, so we're gonna try to get that. I might wait till I'm like close to being able to buy it and then just do the teleporter event and then go buy it. But we're gonna get at least most of the chests, and then we're gonna try to keep going. See what else we can do. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot. There was a magma in here. Bronzong. Listen, I know they're not called Bronzongs, but as far as I'm concerned, they are. Okay. Let's go over there. Focus crystal. Sure. See, this is where the run might actually end up ending here because of this magma well. I completely forgot I had a Dio, so it wouldn't have ended there, even if I had died. Crowbar. I want focus. Not a focus, a CROWBER printer. That would be very beneficial. Ooh, Shrine of the Mountain. I need to get some good items on the stage. Maybe I think I will actually buy the chest before the legendary chest before I continue. I'll leave that Shrine of Chance though. Especially since I bought the Shrine of the Mountain, I may end up needing the help of whatever. Hopefully some kind of good red item. That's good, and his music, man, it is. I acknowledged it in the last video. I don't think it has the description, and his music was electric for the item because I have the mod on, and it doesn't. Ooh, a willow. Do I already have one? No, I don't. Oh, the sorting mod is working. Oh my god, I didn't notice that. So one of the UI mods I have, it's got the ability to sort the items like by rarity and stuff, and I didn't think it was working, but it looks like it is. I was about to say, I probably should have bought that Hookoo Feather. I might end up spending a small bit of extra time on the stage, because depending on what happens, because if I live, I may need to use those shrines of combat to get more money, and depending on if there's something back here, like if I don't even know if the tunnel's open, but if it is, another willow. It is, okay, because I mean, if there was a good printer back here, or a scrapper would be preferable, because if there's not a good printer back here or something, I do want to print some gasolines. Because that extra damage is always welcome. That AoE stuff. You know, I wouldn't mind, even though it wouldn't be the most beneficial thing in terms of like helping me kill things. For my red item out of this guaranteed red chest that we'll be going and getting in a little bit, I wouldn't mind a hard light afterburner to give me more of my blinks. I don't even have enough money for that. Where are you? I hear you. There's a chest over here. Hey, I'll take that. Does this it show the stacking now? No, it doesn't. Yeah, no, so to switch short, I now have a 1% chance of one-shotting enemies. If they're not a boss enemy, I mean, this was my like, I can't one-shot a teleporter boss with that effect. Ooh. Sure. Oh god, I didn't realize if I got another, it would mean I get another random effect on equipment activation. But again, I currently don't have an equipment. Speaking of an equipment, give me something good, like Silver Missile Launcher. I mean, I'll take a 4 improve, why not? Another ATG. Now I want a, what is it called? 57. I don't even have that unlocked in this account. Holy shit. Coin! Okay, let's just kind of do a last little roundabout out here, and then I'll go see how much that legendary chest is. There is a crowbar printer. Oh my god, I can complete a mission. Another ukulele. Hold on, what's my chance? It's still a 25% prime chance, got it. I'm just using this. Because this is a mission. That's for... And actually it's printing items, I'm okay with the printing. I don't like that, but... God, I kind of didn't want it to do that. It's not a huge deal. Yeah, that's fine. I mean, I hate... Oh yeah, that is how you unlock that. I think I'm at 9. Oh, no, I'm at 10. So far it actually hasn't taken too many good items. Okay. On the last one, it took a pretty good item. There we go. That's how I get that. Good. Okay. I'm gonna one-shot a lot of these lower enemies now because I have so many crowbars. Okay. There's 2 chests in here. Which one of these be a crowbar? Ooh, that's really good. No, I don't want these. I want a scrapper and a good green printer. Okay, 3,500. Yeah, that chest always spawns. Even if you have an artifact, the artifact of sacrifice, it will still spawn there. Sacrifice makes it to where, what am I trying to say? Sacrifice makes it to where chests no longer appear, and only, enemies drop items instead. Where is he? I can hear the hermit crab. Oh, there's one. Is there one over here? deal 5,000 damage in one shot. I mean, I'll take... Oh, did a missile shoot off? I think a missile might have shot off. Oh, no, because that's only 900% damage. Oh, wait, it didn't say 5,000%. It said 5,000. So actually, that makes more sense. Come on, game, give me my 3,500. So I can go buy this last chest. Where does this take me? Oh yeah, this is where I like spawned in roughly. Yeah. And where the incredible focus crystal comes. This is where all of you are. Every time those things spawning, I get really worried. Because I know I have a Dios, but I'd at least prefer to wait till I go... I think we're going to fight the main final boss of Mithrix for this run. That's really bad, because I don't have any good way to increase my critical damage, the critical chance anymore, because I took the Lost Seer's Lens. That's upsetting. Oh, that's what we're doing. This genuinely, this could end my run. Nope. Okay, well, I died, so there's my Dios. Really? I would do all that for 2 shirts. See, those can be really good items, but on a character like this, like with the weird auto aim, you know, something that you have to aim like that is not a good thing to have. Because I have to be able... I can't just like snipe something from across the map or from far away. I have to be looking directly at them while they're in range. There's definitely someone around here. Are there people up? I never found my rusted mod box, I just realized it's fine, I guess, but... Oh. Okay, well, anyways. Trying a chance. What did you get? Nope. Okay, I think the last thing we have is to try a chance. So, oh wait, it was back by the teleporter, wasn't it? No, it wasn't. Ouch. Oh, there it is. Please. Come on. I can. I'll take it too. I just realized my other drone that came with the prototype drone that died. Alright, so we're not gonna go if we live. The plan... Oh wait, no, I know what I wanted to do. I want to go get Artifact of Command. So that means I want to loot here, and then hopefully it's just an easy get down. Hopefully the path is there and everything. You can see that shrine of chance over there. Multi-shop. Oh, there's a void seed. Why are you here? Chronobomber? I forgot that was an achievement. Okay, we got a couple of you. Help me out, buddy. Okay, one of these was my original little buddy. God, I probably should have done that first. Okay, this is open. Is normal, but I need the other one. 780, red item, that's a green. Rose buckler, I won't say no. I thought that was my second rose buckler, or was that the last? Last stage was the one I had, the other one. Shrines of chance, or not chance, sorry, the mountain don't matter for the moment. Oh, I went to seed. Nope. There's still 7 monsters remaining. I don't... Okay, there's a barn floor there. I've gotten so many large chests this run, and only one has had red item. Listen, I see him. Why can't I target him? Oh, can I not with a shield though? 4 monsters remaining. What are they? Oh, there's a void greater width. Or void touch. They call it void touch enemies. I like corrupted. That just sounds cooler to me, so when I refer to them, like when I play with people, I say corrupted. Oh, I got a Molotov activation on that one. Because I'm Artifact of Chaos, I wouldn't necessarily say no. Oh, there's a jailer. God dang it. That is really bad. Just did. Well, I mean, okay, there's the teleport. I don't know why I'm too like, hey, about the teleporter. I'm not using it. Oh my god, I got a problem with that on it. Okay, where is the other dude? It's on the other side of this. What are you? Void Seed collapses. How many hopos is that? Is that just 2? Yeah. There's a void potential down here. Go to it. I don't have a brooch. Oh, I should go now. Let's just swap in our colors. Murrayans. Where are you? ATV, well, if I had a scrapper, I might use you, but even though I have a lot of bad green items, I also have some good ones, so I can't justify just... Okay, I think there's only one real area I haven't checked yet, besides down there. Oh wait, I know there's a chest over here somewhere, because I saw... I don't know if it's this one or not. Oh, I got a guess. That's good. So I didn't have one because the CROWBER printer took it. Okay. Oh, I didn't even have Squid Pollen unlocked. Didn't even realize that. I should check on top of this too. I don't think I did. Well, I did now. Oh, there's a... I will take that. Come on. Does that mean every time I buy something, it activates my equipment? So like if I do this. Yep. Okay, the other opening to get down is right over here, question mark? Where is it? It's closed. Okay, that means I gotta jump down. Like this. Okay. sometimes there's like a whole thing that spawns down there. Alright, so I'm going to pause real quick and I'm going to grab the code for the artifact command. Okay, now that I know the code for artifact command, okay, so that's supposed to be the code. I don't actually know what code that one right there is. Hold on, let me actually check since I have the list. Honor. I don't know what the one of honor is. Huh. Anyways, let us resume. Did not mean to do that. It's a cool area. There's a cool little thing down here. Well, little. Oh, hey. I got Spinal Tonic. I'm told I need to try a Spinal Tonic build. I've never done it. Artifact command is going to be really good here because, yeah, as you can see, it says choose your items. Whenever I open a chest, it'll, like, spawn essence, a command essence. And when you open it, you just have a choice between every item of that rarity. And yes, there are enemies that will spawn. I won't pick up any items to... You know what? I'm not even gonna worry about flat. No, I might. I'm sitting there wondering when things are gonna spawn. Oh yeah, because that activates my, doodad. Are enemies gonna spawn, like... Just wait until I say that and then get killed. See, I could get another... Excuse me. Of my choice. God, excuse me. I sneezed a lot during this run, I just realized, because didn't I sneeze a ton in the first episode of this run? Oh, I should grab the, while on this stage. Or, like, before I leave. Oh, hey. Is that all I've gotten are white? Doesn't it normally? Yeah, it's got the kickback. But I have. I'm a little bit kind of fun. Two. Now I'm gonna run around and make sure I bought every chest. Nope, I didn't. There's one more here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep the, what is this called? The executive card. Because I get returns on the purchases, so I get more money. And then, like, if I run into a multi-shop terminal, I can buy everything that's in it. Very, very useful thing to do. There's not just a yellow command essence showing, is there? Doesn't appear to be. Oh my god, I thought that was it. Oh, there it is. Nope, stop it. And a boom. One more key. Is all we need. Yeah, there's a good bit of white command essences, which is good. Oh hey, look, it bought a Soda machine. Oh, it already dropped. I mean, I'm not complaining. And boom. Oh, I want to get a good look at this. God, I haven't done an artifact in a while on my main account. Because I already have, like, the ones I really wanted, and then a couple others, but... Oh, I know what I'm going to get, actually. See, I could stack some more, like, Lost Seers lenses to, like, up my chance of, you know, doing the... Yeah, there's the log. I'll get it in a minute. But, to up my chance of annihilating an enemy. But also, I can just up my shot and movement speed. This also ups your movement speed. The way this thing that I'm getting works is it's half the effect of an attack syringe and half the effect of a goat's hoof. So, every 2 is equivalent to 1 of each. So like right now, I have 8 mochas, which means I have the equivalent of 4 goat's hoofs and 4 attack syringes. Which is good, because I now have the movement speed I typically try to get, well, roughly. When I do a command like run, like for an unlock, for like a monsoon skin or something, the speed, the main movement speed that I currently have is what I aim for. Wait, did I already get the environment log, or does it just disappear after a certain amount of time? Does it disappear? Did I really, like, whiff getting it this time? I mean, I want to come back eventually and get, Artifact of Sacrifice, but... God dang it. Whatever. Oh shit. What's it fall? Oh. I thought you fell on me. Anywho. Can I stand on these? I came on. Oh, back to the things. If there are... What do they call it? The hermit crabs. Oh hey, I have a meat hook. If hermit crabs show up, I will take my time. There's a hermit crab. Nope, run. Get out of here. Nope, run this way. Get out. Ah, he's dead. That's what sucks. I wanted to buy these drones for some help, but if I want to do this achievement, I need the hermit crabs to survive for a good, longer period of time. Start walking. Yep, keep going. Keep going. No, Ethan, why did you do that? You had the health, you could have taken the damage. He's in here. Oh. It's a lunar bud, but I'm not gonna pay for it. I have to chase 20 hermit crabs off the side. It's an achievement for a lunar item, a really good lunar item. That's one. And you can see the rats doing the camps. Get up. Okay, I'll come back. Get up. Yeah, I'm fine with him dying. I didn't want him to die though. Any, like, close to the edge? I get lucky and there's someone near the edge already. I need to kill this dude. Oh man. Both of those guys died. No! Prototype drone, stop. Start walking. God, the prototype drone is just killing them all. Ah, there's 3 over here. Turn around. That was scrappy. I wish there was a way I could just, like, kill the drone. Stop it, drone! Get up and walk. Okay. You're not gonna walk, you can die. Then just another annoyance on the field. Finding some chests. Wanted that to prep my big drone so I could kill it. Also, I'm sure it's more likely that it would kill me. Why are there no more? There's a lot of alpha constructs spawning. Look at all of them. Okay, stop spawning the 73,000 wrong things spawn. And spawn some. Holy crabs. Those are beetles. So here it is. Do I just have to accept that this isn't the run I get to do that achievement on? God, I might actually try and do that unlock off screen at this point. Okay, well... Oops, stop. Killed one. Oh, I killed 2. There's 3 of them. ukulele. I ain't saying no. Yeah, I think let's just do a screen around to get the chasing the hermit crab off the thing achievement. Just because that is such a painful achievement, but it also unlocks a really good lunar item that if or when we get to the point where we start making or doing like runs and I have a lot of lunar points, I think I can use it. We're gonna activate when I get near. Are you? Right now. Okay. I'll scale you that way. Oh, hey. Right. Well, I think I'm going to call this part of the unlock run here. So, thank you guys so much for watching. We might finish this one in the next episode. Depends on how long, because this is a little bit of a longer recording, but depends on how long I end up going, because I might just try to rush to the Sky Meadow again so I can get to commencement, which is the name of the final stage. But yeah, till then, see y'all later.